Meguiar's Quik Interior Detailer is the perfect way to clean and protect all interior surfaces quickly and easily. This convenient spray-on, wipe-off product contains sun-blocking agents to preserve the original appearance of surfaces and won't leave a greasy look or feel. Quickly and safely clean interior surfaces like plastics, vinyl, leather, rubber, metal, and even sensitive surfaces like LCD and nav screens. Clean, maintain, and leave your interior looking natural with Quik Interior Detailer.
A valued friend to all car lovers is Sonax Wheel Cleaner Full Effect. Try it once, and you will agree its tough acting power is impressive. Liberally apply the Wheel Cleaner Full Effect, which sprays on fluorescent green before turning red as it attaches itself to the iron found in brake dust. One application and you'll see instantly the penetrating cleaning power as it tears down brake dust with amazing results. Just rinse off the gentle, acid-free formula, and you will marvel at the new shine and luster of your rims. Fight the wear and dirt buildup on your wheels with Sonax Wheel Cleaner or Sonax Wheel Cleaner 5-liter refill. Ideal for cleaning the toughest grime that comes from driving the street. It's a game changer for regular wheel rim maintenance. Go to SonaxUSA.com and order Sonax Wheel Cleaner 5-liter refill today. Sonax, premium German car care.
Patented performance. Unmatched shine. Drill-powered ease. 360-degree coverage. Where simplicity meets perfection. The new shape of shine. Experience it with the all-new Mother's Power Cone 360 Precision Polisher.
This chemical-resistant heavy-duty sprayer and clear PVC bottle is designed to hold up against harsh chemicals and solvents. This bottle can be used with all chemicals, even chemicals that cause standard trigger sprayers to fail and fall apart. The nozzle O-ring and piston cup of the trigger sprayer is made of Viton for superior chemical resistance. The nozzle can be adjusted from a fine mist to a jet stream. This bottle is excellent for both water-based and oil-based chemicals. This heavy-duty bottle can be used to apply spray waxes, window cleaners, carpet cleaner, dressings, butter, and more. The stem measures at 9 3/4 inches, which can be sized for both 32-ounce and 16-ounce bottles. The end sprayer is complete with a light filter to assure maximum passage of chemicals. How to use. Honestly, it's a spray bottle. Just spray stuff with it.